Okay, we're gonna try Rampart here. Sorry for the shaky handheld, but I'm recording this with my phone. Oswald is swapping carts and he should be joining us in a second. So while that's happening, you can see the FujiNet setup over here. It's a DevKit C ESP32 wired up to the ComLynx cable. There's a resistor that happens to be in the middle of everything. I apologize for my fingers, because again, I'm just trying to hold this thing and get it done here. All right, there we go. We see two players. Bang. Let's just pick a spot. I'll pick a castle. And let's see what happens. This is the irony of this, is that Oswald is playing blind because his screen is smashed. Let's see how this works in practice. All right, come on. And there we go. There's Oswald doing his. I'm having to guide him because he can't see anything. And I apologize again for the shaky cam, because I'm literally doing this with my... Okay. There we go. We are indeed playing a game of Rampart. I guess. All right, we just keep adding stuff here. Okay, ready to go. Very good. I think we're doing okay. Don't have any indicators on the dev board here to show when things are happening or not, so we'll see how this works. Ready, aim, and here we go. Whee! Oops, see his cursor moving, my cursor's moving. So far, so good. So far, so good. And yeah, he's doing okay. All right, we are playing a network game of Rampart. This is awesome. Let's see if I can get everything here. I apologize, I feel bad for him because he can't see a screen, but there we go. So far, so good. All right, let's see. Now we're rebuilding. Yep, cursor's moving nice and consistently. This is good. Yep, this is playable. Holy crap. I'm impressed. Sorry, I keep moving it away just so I can see. But it's working. This is something else. And there we go. Can I put one here? No, guess not. I don't really care. All right, whatever. Just let it happen. Do you guys have any idea how challenging it is to take and record this screen? And Moz has just built a city over here. Oh my God, he's gonna laugh his ass off when he sees this. Destruction bonus, territory bonus. Okay, so yay. Red army conquers, blue army defeated. And I guess that's the end of the game once this thing syncs up. So, I mean, there we go. So far, so good. I guess we'll leave it here.